Every grain begins its life beneath the morning sun.
Quality is judged long before machines ever touch it. Steel replaces hands when scale demands speed. Each stalk yields the promise of food.
Tons of rice in a matter of minutes.
Harvest transforms fields into cargo.
Protection begins at origin. The journey takes form on wheels. From soil to system, the transfer begins. Thousands of farms feed one machine. Fields fade. Industry rises. The field hands over its harvest. Every journey ends where transformation begins.
Flow is controlled before grain can enter.
The heartbeat of industry grows louder.
Precision begins in motion. Alignment is everything. Gravity becomes the first machine. The harvest empties itself into purpose. Motion replaces stillness. Control tames the chaos. Air now carries food.
The harvest awaits its rebirth.
Stillness before the storm of machinery.
What enters here never comes out the same.
Steel doors guard a delicate product. Human routine meets industrial scale. Each button commands 1,000 kilos.
Below the surface, everything moves.
This is where still grain wakes up. Every second weighs tons.
The system lifts harvest higher than fields ever could.
Above the flow, humans oversee. First, the unwanted is shaken free. Purity is separation. The real work begins now. Dust meets its first defeat.
Each grain is scrubbed clean.
Weight decides destiny.
Air completes what water began.
Uniformity begins here.
Human eyes remain unmatched.
Even invisible threats are captured.
Cleaned, but not yet ready.
The moisture must go.
Warm air prepares transformation.
Heat changes everything. Heat changes everything.
Now, the shell must fall.
The armor breaks away.
The heart is revealed. Nothing is wasted. Balance decides direction.
Even the smallest weight matters.
The system feeds itself. Upward toward perfection. Every metric matters. The skin must shine. From brown to bright.
Nothing escapes purpose.
Now perfection meets precision.
Now technology judges what humans cannot.
Light becomes a filter. Only the best survive.
Precision leaves no doubt.
Accuracy multiplies itself. Dryness decides destiny.
Uniformity is engineered.
The system breathes.
Trust, but verify.
The human seal remains.
Certified to move on.
The factory now takes control.
Here, machines make decisions.
Balance is built into motion.
Numbers now speak for grain. Pressure replaces instinct. Grams dictate destiny.
Industry learns rhythm. Nothing passes unseen. Safety comes before speed.
Direction is digital.
Even steel needs care.
Green means go.
The last perfection begins.
The last touch leaves no mark. Only brilliance. A shine born of science.
Invisible threats disappear.
Every gram earns its place.
Nothing unwanted survives.
Perfection has a measure.
Sightless eyes judge beauty.
Technology bows to touch.
The body is ready.
Every grain leaves a trace.
Now comes the verdict.
Every batch must prove itself.
Consistency is tested, not assumed.
Beauty exists at scales unseen.
Weakness never hides. Dry enough to endure time.
Clean is a promise.
Flavor is engineered here.
Feel transforms into data.
Science seals safety.
This batch stands approved. Judgment complete.
Now it becomes product. The harvest now receives its identity.
Every packet holds precision.
Nothing escapes, not even air.
Each bag remembers its birth. Human hands are replaced by steel ones. Protected for the world ahead.
Storage becomes strategy.
Storage becomes strategy.
The harvest now waits in silence.
A destination is assigned.
The journey restarts again.
And this is how modern factories produce rice from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.